Hi guys, good morning or hello from anywhere across the world. So I'm doing this video real quick so that you know why I think BTC is going to fall down to 100k or 104k zone. So let me show you my quick chart analysis. Right, let's go. So this is my weekly chart, and as I can see, or as we can all see, it's making higher highs. It has made the second. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, and it's about to make a higher low, right? But we don't know if it's going to make that higher low. We're only speculating. But because it has made the first higher high and a first higher low, and it has made a second higher high, so we expect it to make a second higher low. And besides, I don't think BTC is going to fall below this 70,000 zone. You get? So this is just a weekly chart. By the way, we do a top-down analysis. We start from the high time frame down to the low time frame. Now let's go to our daily chart, right? So I marked some couple of uptrends that got broken, and now I went back, reversed back to an uptrend. So looking at it, right, looking at this daily chart, as you can see, there was an uptrend from this 74,000 zone. This 74,000 zone, there was another uptrend making higher high. Now that uptrend is in correlation with our weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame is this purple trend line, while our daily time frame trend lines are these blue ones. So I marked it, and I noticed that this trend, our second trend on our daily time frame, broke, right? I didn't just, because sometimes the trend line might break and it still keep going up. So it's broke, meaning, okay, are you heading down to make a higher low on our weekly, based on our weekly time frame analysis? I don't know. But then I marked this our former support, right? Looking at it, this our former support. Can you see? These are former support, right? Now the market broke it on Sunday, or rather on Monday morning. It broke it clearly on Monday, right? So as you can see, it broke it. Yesterday it painted another bullish candlestick, which is a bullish candlestick, which is, to me, I would say is the retest. But let's see what happens today. But clearly it has broken this hour zone. So this time around, I'm fully heading down to our next major support, which is also in line with our weekly trend line, as you can see. Let me zoom out so you all can see properly. So looking at it clearly, right? Looking at it, well, we are still speculating. I entered this trade. I put my stop loss just above this support that got broken, just above here, down to our 100k and 104k zone. So I think BTC is going to fall to that 100k, and we'll now keep going bullish. So let's see what happens. These are daily charts. This is where I stop. I make my entries from my 4 hours and my weekly chart. I'll do another video on my how I take my entries, right? This is just an analysis and overview of what I think about BTC. Thank you.